Hello and welcome to White Noise Online.
If you have cancer or anything, or like get teasers from flashing lights, exit this video now.
Yeah, exactly.
And if you are too scared for horror games, exit this video now.
Yeah. You know, it's okay to be a sissy. Okay? Alright. I think we should just start. Alright. Let me try and invite somebody. Okay, nobody else would play, so let's play this on our own.
No.
Crap, how do we start?
I'm not telling you.
Figured it out.
Oh, darn it, you found it out.
Ha.
I'm just gonna say one spot and die. Like, no joke.
No, it's... Alright. You there?
Okay, but it's a freak on me.
Alright.
I'm doing this map, so...
Well, sometimes you gotta go outside of your, comfort zone.
Oh, would you look at there? Blood steps.
Yep, that's great. That's a great way to start out.
I'm scared already.
Why couldn't we snoop? Why couldn't
More
we just...
blood steps.
Why couldn't we come here during the day? And with more people?
I know, why does it always have to be night?
And with guns! We could have came with guns.
Yeah, we go okay with guns too. And did you know that this is actually old timing? Like remember flashlights were first invented?
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
They actually had people go into like places with flashlights and then die. Like, cause something got them. Cause they would find the bodies and then their chest would be like open, like where you could see their liver and all that.
I hear a tape. Oh, there it is.
This is wherever he always pops out.
Gotta turn it down real quick. Hey, can you talk?
Yeah,
Alright.
I can try. Dude, I'm like right on your butt.
Well, don't get gay or something.
I'm just saying, because I'm really scared.
Just because we're about to die doesn't mean we should get gay.
Hold on, I gotta go AFK.
Sup? I'm recording a YouTube video.
Are you playing Slenderman?
White Noise. It's pretty good.
I'll spin
Damn it,
without
come
you.
in.
Go. Come on. Sit
There
down.
you go, darn it. I'm
Sit down,
not
man.
gonna watch.
Come on. Go sit down. It's White Noise.
Okay,
Happy early
good.
birthday.
I'm alone and I can't find you, so I'm just gonna close my eyes and wait till night.
No! Where'd you go?
I don't know where you went. I'm so scared.
You're gonna die. Is that a page or something? This is scary. I'm gonna put these down before I fall.
Okay. That's tape number 2.
It's like a remake of
AJ, you still there?
Yeah.
Okay. careful. Apparently we're close. Oh, I see you.
Get in front of me so I'm not that scared. Okay, I see you. Let's go. Oh, I'm scared. I was like literally freaking out because I was on the like,
Yeah,
I'm dead.
that's nice.
Don't turn around.
I'm recording. I'm recording. Get out of the way.
Hello.
Get out, Morgan.
Quit. Oh my god. Jesus.
Who's that?
That's a ghost. It's a ghost.
Right here, man, right here. Behind you.
Where is it?
Oh, dude, over here.
Awesome. All right, now my flashlight's blinking. That's great.
Dakota Army. Okay. My cat's keeping my foot warm.
Ha.
Turn right. Look. No, back to
Okay, that doesn't sound good.
Nope.
I'm scared.
Okay. Lots of freaking noises. I'm in the dark. Literally in the big room.
Full of bases. That is precious classic.
That's nice.
This is pottery item.
I wonder what happens when your flashlight goes out.
I never really found out, actually. Just keep your flashlight on and we'll see.
And by the way, this is my cousin Jordan, in case you didn't know.
What's up, AJ?
Ah, Jordan.
Happy New Year's Eve, bro.
Yeah, right back at you, man.
Right back at you.
And viewers, this is the guy from the YouTube videos. That, like, the incredible non-edible dog bone and,
Videos yet, Jordan?
And me beating him in an awesome stunts in GTA 5. Yeah, remember that, guys? If you haven't watched it yet.
Jordan.
What?
Jameson, look at the totem. I tell him what I think the totem is. I'm
No.
the totem is the
no.
totem.
Yeah, I thought so.
That's what I think.
That's what Jordan sees too.
Yeah.
Very 13. Hey, AJ.
Yeah.
Have you seen me and Jamie's video of awesome stunts in GTA?
Where you were eating a dog bone?
Yeah, that too. Have you seen her?
How did you not throw up, Jordan?
It's in my blood. My mom eats dog bones. It's weird. Don't judge. Don't be a hater.
Oh, this is new.
Oh, it's a horseman. Hello, horseman.
Minotaurs.
Oh, I found a tape. Wait, no, that's not a tape. I hear a tape.
Oh, I hate that thing.
So, Jordan, what'd you think of that?
That was scary.
Alright, like and subscribe and enjoy the video.
He got paintball.
Like, subscribe, do that stuff. Goodbye.